Yes, guys. Yeah. Alright, so this is part 2. Just to let you guys know that, because, you know, my first one ended. So I have finally got the melting furnace. I finally have that. There's no time. We have to go. This is part 2 of The Last Day on Earth. Yes. So with that, I can finally get the start smelting some iron ore and some scrapping metal, because I got some scrapping metal with me. So yeah, let me put this furnace over here. Yes, it's perfect. Oh, that's so perfect. Yeah, I don't want to use my iron ore because I might need that, or I might need my scrapping metal. Hold on, let me see. I need a dealer for trade and exchange. Yes, please. Alright, so let's work on creating or crafting a CB radio. I already got a rain catcher, which is good. Is there anything else I need? Seems like I don't need anything else. So, alright, let me grab this then. Yes, hold up. Yes, let me go to my, what you call it? Over here. Put this one over here. Yes, perfect. Good. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so I need 3 of this. 3 of the pine plank, iron bar, which is 5, and only 1. Oh shoot, no. And 1 of the wiring. So I already got some wiring with me. I only got like 2. So let's see if there's any more over here. Alright. That's good. Alright, we're making progress, guys. We're making progress, other than the last one because I just died like an idiot. So, you hungry, son? I know you are. Man, eat some beans. Just eat some beans. Jeez. Alright. This is good, guys. This is good. I'm loving this. I'm loving this game right now. Oh, this is amazing. Have my own furnace. Furnace are really important. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah, I need some wood. I need some wood, but how much energy do I have? How much energy do I have, though? Because if I'm gonna have to get some wood, then it's gonna be a long time, because I don't know how much energy I have, and I have to run, and if I just run there and get the wood, how am I gonna go back? Hold on, let me see how much I have. Dang, that's 14 energy. Alright guys, so I'll be right back.